To set Swipes Touchpad with three fingers as change audio and volume in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down the screen, tap Touchpad, and then tap three finger gestures. On Swipes, tap drop-down menu, and then select change audio volume. And then you can see here, if you swipes up with the touchpad with three finger, volume up, then volume down, and then previous track or next track. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.